value of simple annuities.
And future value of simple annuities.
So let's go on to the tutorial. Let's go!
If you wanna learn some math with us, come and see with Infinity.
So, for the first topic of this lesson, we have present value of simple annuity. It has a formula of A sub p is equal to R times 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus R over n to the power of negative n times t, all over R over n. So, what do these variables mean? So, they are R is the effective rate of interest usually in the pesos side. So, the R is our rate usually in the percentage form. The N is our payment period. The T is our time. And that is it. These are all the things we need to solve a problem using present value of simple annuity. Now, let's go on to our example.
Our problem for the present value of simple annuity is this. Mr. Santos borrowed 30,000 and promised to cancel his debt 6 years by paying equal sums at the end of each month with interest at 5% compounded monthly. How much is Mr. Santos' monthly payment? So first, we should find our given. We have R equals 30,000. Next is the time, which is 6. Rn is 12 because it's paid and compounded every month. The R is 0.05. After finding the given, let's use those values and substitute them to our formula, which is A sub P is to equal to R times 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus R over N to the power of negative NT all over R over N. Now that we have written our formula, let's substitute. This becomes 30,000 times 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus 0.05 over 12 to the power of negative 12 times 6 all over 0.05 over 12. We will solve the R over N first. 0.05 over 12 is 0.0041666667 and add that to 1. Then we have 1.0041666667. The number to the power of negative 12 times 6, which is negative 72. We have 0.74128000939, and then add that to 1, so the numerator is now 1.74128000939 and divided that to 0.0041666667. The answer in the bracket is now 417.9072192. Multiply it to 30,000 and our answer is 12537216.58.
So right now, we are faced with this kind of problem. Suppose Mrs. Remoto would like to save 3,000 pesos every year in a fund that gives 9% interest rate compounded yearly. how much is the amount or future value of her savings after 6 years. As always, the first thing to do is read the problem and find the given. So, we have R is equal to 3,000. Our rate is 0.09 because we moved the decimal place twice to the left. Rn is 1 because it is paid and compounded yearly or once a year. Lastly, Rt is 6. After finding the given, we can now go to solving. The formula for the future value of simple annuity is A sub f is equal to R times the quantity of 1 plus R over n to the power of n times t minus 1 all over R over n. We will have to substitute the values from the given to the variables in the equations. So, it will go like 3,000 times the quantity of 1 plus 0.09 over 1 to the power of 1 times 6 or just 6 minus 1 all over 0.09 over 1. After substituting the values, we can now properly solve the problem. We should first divide 0.09 over 1, which is just 0.09, and add it to 1. The result is 1.09. Raise that to the power of 6 and we have 1.677100111. And when we subtract that to 1, it becomes 0.677100111. Divide that number to 0.09 and we have 18.63444,568. Lastly, we multiply 3,000 to that, and the future value of this simple annuity is 55,903.34.